Very good morning,
welcome
Major
one of
General
our
Rawat.
students, Major Rawat.
Major General Rawat, very good. Good morning, in fact.
Good morning,
Welcome.
sir. Good morning.
Morning to you also, and wish you a very, very happy Founders Day.
Very happy Founders Day. Very happy Founders Day.
And thank you for this honor of inviting me also.
Good morning, Sanjeev sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning, good morning. Morning, everybody.
Very good morning, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. We welcome PCPO, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Ma'am, shall we tell GM sir to join, ma'am? Right. Okay.
Welcome, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome, GM ma'am. Ma'am Shikha Ganguly, welcome ma'am.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Welcome, sir. A warm welcome, sir. Respected GM, sir. We can start, Mr. Singh, we can start.
Right, sir. Good afternoon to one and all present on the online platform to commemorate the day. Mr. Ashutosh Gangal, General Manager, Northern Railway, and Chairman, Board of Governors, Oak Grove School. Mrs. Shikha Gangal, President, Northern Railway Women's Welfare Organization. Mrs. Pramila Bhagat, Principal Chief Personal Officer, Northern Railway, and Executive Governor, Board of Governors, Oak Grove School. Respected members of BOGP, Mrs. Chandralekha Mukherjee, Senior Deputy General Manager, Mr. Chandraprakash Gupta, Principal Chief Engineer, Dr. N.K. Yadav, Principal Chief Medical Director, Mr. S.K. Kaushik, Principal Financial Advisor, Mr. Tarun Prakash, Divisional Railway Manager, Muradabad, Mr. Abhishek Kesavani, Principal Oak Grove School and Secretary Board of Governors, Mrs. Kamal Kesavani, heads of the three schools, eminent members of faculty, ex-Oak Grovians joined from all over the globe, and my dear students. It is a matter of honor for the entire Oak Grove family that we have with us Mr. Ashutosh Gangal, General Manager, Northern Railway, as our distinguished chief guest on the occasion of 134th inception day of this prestigious institution of Indian Railways, set up in 1888 by the East India Railway Company. We feel honored, sir, to have such a high dignitary today amongst us on this occasion as our distinguished chief guest. I, on behalf of the entire Oak Grove family, hereby take this opportunity to extend a hearty welcome to you, sir, along with all our respected members of BG as guests of honor. It is quite unfortunate that many of the ex-students of our school, relatives of many members of staff, along with a large number of our fellow railwaymen have lost their lives due to COVID-19 during this pandemic. Therefore, I request all present to observe 1 minute silence as a tribute for the departed souls. Thank you. Founders Day reminds us of the lush green valley field and children showcasing their performances. But due to the pandemic restrictions, we have been forced to switch over to the virtual electronic platform. To begin with today's proceedings, First, we have the school song showcasing a few activities of the school.
Now vote by Diana. Come.
Decline. Decline.
Last तारा leave नहीं.
Google legal की आल छे से बुझे क्यों ना किछे खाली लिखल
Google
Despite the restrictions of the
phone
pandemic,
isn't connected to data
the
service to
school
view
functioned to the
information.
best
Now
of
go
its
to
abilities
https
with the active help
google.com.
and support
User
of the railway
feedback
administration and there were many online and offline activities. I now request Mr. Abhishek Kesavani, Principal Oak Grove School, to present the year-round performance of the school. Sir.
Respected General Manager, Northern Railway and Chairman, Board of Governors, Oak Grove School, Shri Ashutosh Gangal, Mrs. Shikha Gangal, President, Northern Railway Women's Welfare Organization, Mrs. Pramila Bhargav, Principal Chief Personnel Officer, Northern Railway, and Executive Governor, BOG, Oak Grove School, Mrs. Chandralekha Mukherjee, SDGM, Northern Railway, Mr. Chandra Prakash Gupta, PCE, Mr. S.K. Kaushik, PFA, Dr. N.K. Yadav, PCMD, Northern Railway, and Mr. Tarun Prakash, Divisional Railway Manager, Moradabad. I welcome all present on the occasion of 134th inception day of this prestigious institution, set up on the very same day, way back in 1888. On this day, I pray my genuflection to the founders of this institution, which holds the proud position of being the oldest government residential school in the entire nation. Ever since its inception, the school has been striding forward and touching new heights every year. I offer my tribute to the founders of this abode of learning, which has served over the years by nurturing good and edified citizens who have made their presence felt in all walks of life globally. Braving the outspread of the pandemic, Oak Grove School staff and students have proved themselves in the litmus test of their academic and professional domains. The previous year's excellent academic result in the board examination stands a benchmark, and with all our efforts doubled with the enthusiasm of the students, we are quite sure that the present year's result will definitely prove to be of same standards. Ever since its inception, the sun has never set in Oak Grove, and even during these tough times, with the help of technology, we are keeping our students updated academically. Though presently the school is missing its heart and soul, but we hope that every dark cloud has a silver lining. During the long duration of the extraordinary pandemic lockdown, online classes continued in full swing, and it was ensured that each and every student was in touch with the teachers. Teachers were provided with laptops and pen tabs to conduct the online teaching in a professional manner. The school also had the proud privilege of being appointed as the lead collaborator by CBSE in the initiative of Hubs of Learning mission, and many inter-school activities were organized online as a part of this mission. Keeping in view the extraordinary situation created by the pandemic and its aftermath, a principals conference was organized by Oak Grove School in September 2020 for all the principals of the boarding school of Mussoorie region, such as Woodstock, Weinberg Allen, Waverly, and St. George's. The motive was to break the isolated thinking and to discuss and brainstorm various ideas regarding the changes in the school functioning. This forum is still functional, where the principals often meet online and offline and hold elaborate deliberations on issues of common concern. To ensure safety and also with a view of enhancing the catchment area, admission tests for students from classes 3 to 9 were organized simultaneously at 4 different venues across the country. We are particularly thankful to PCPO ma'am for consenting to the proposal and facilitating the same by collaborating with the officers across zones. As per state government guidelines, elaborate preparations were made to reopen the school physically for students of class 9 to 12 with effect from 1st March 2021. Entire school campus was sanitized and proper arrangements were made so that the students' reporting can be kept safe following the government SOP. After reporting of the students with negative COVID reports, they were kept in quarantine for 7 days, during which even the food was served in dormitories. Prior to this, COVID-19 tests were conducted in the camps organized in the school hospital for the entire staff on campus. The entire school was subsequently converted into a bio bubble. Proper social distancing was maintained in dormitories, dining halls, classrooms to ensure complete safety. Regular sanitization of the areas being used by the students was done, and food items taken in the kitchen were cleaned properly before being used. It is a matter of great satisfaction that during their stay on campus, all the students remained safe. However, with the rising number of COVID cases and in conformity with the state government orders of closing down the schools again, meticulous arrangements were made to send the students safe back to their respective homes towards the 3rd and 4th weeks of April. Here, I am extremely thankful to DRM Moradabad sir for providing extra coach in Howrah-bound train for safe and comfortable travel of the students. Though the physical stay of the students was limited to less than 2 months, the school was abuzz with many important activities. The most remarkable achievement of the school was the restoration of NCC after a long gap of around 17 years. And the boys and girls could appear in the NCC A certificate examination physically conducted on the school campus. Besides this, the school was able to conduct all the internal assessment and practical examination of the board students well within time. Moreover, the school was also able to conduct the pre-board examinations for students of classes 10th and 12th, out of which class 10th pre-board examination is proving to be a boon in computing the theory marks of the students as per the latest CBSE guidelines. As far as other classes are concerned, offline annual examination was conducted on campus for classes 9th and 11th, and the students were promoted to new board classes. While online examination was conducted for classes 3 to 8, and I'm pleased to announce that the result of the home examination has been 100%. The new academic session has started with effect from 5th April 2021. Apart from this, COVID vaccination camps have been conducted on the school campus twice for the staff and their families in close collaboration with the district administration. I'm thankful to the dedicated team of faculty who has been putting in unflinching efforts without thinking about their duty hours, who are at service of the students and the institution whenever called for. Various other essential departments like medical, engineering, personnel, accounts, stores, and electrical are also praiseworthy as they are the essential backbones of any residential school. We hope the school to be full soon with the shining faces of the students who too are eager to return. I take this opportunity to offer greetings to all the staff and students on completion of 133 glorious years of existence of Oak Grove School. I once again would like to thank all officers from Northern Railway for their active help, support, and guidance, without which we would not be able to achieve such great heights. And we look forward to the active help and support in future as well. May God bless us all in our endeavors to achieve new heights every year. Stay safe. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. With the online teaching and examinations, the students were able to perform quite well. Next, we shall be honoring the students who have shown academic proficiency by securing first position in their respective classes. We begin with junior school. First in class 3rd A, Aryan Sharma, Devansh Pratap Singh, class 3B, Yashika Nirala, 4A, Ishak Kumari, 4B, Priyanka Kumari, 5A, and Shashikant Raj, 5B. Next, we move on to boys school. First in class 6, Ayush Raj, Virat Chauhan, class 7th, Rishabh Raj, class 8th, Ankush Kishan Kapoor, class 9th, and Tanish Sharma, class 11th. Now we move on to girls' school. First in class 6, Mimansa Bibhuti, Anshu Singh, class 7th, Anushka Yadav, class 8th, Anjali Raj, class 9th, and Deepa Devi Shilpkar, class 11th.
Good afternoon. Conventionally, on every Founders' Day in Oak Grove, a variety of colorful exhibitions were painstakingly put together by the students. Following the same tradition, next we have the social science exhibition.
I have made a project on water cycle in geography. Water cycle is the continuous movement of water in the Earth's atmosphere. Liquid water evaporates into water vapor. Water vapor condenses to form clouds. Then it precipitates in the form of rain and snow and is collected in the form of ponds, oceans, seas.
This is the working model of a charkha. It was used for the independence movement by Gandhiji.
We can see that lava is coming out from the volcano.
Today I am going to show you all my social science model, and the title of my model is How the Mountains Are Formed.
So as you all can see here, these are two landforms, and when they start to collide together, the land which is in the between, it gets lifted up, causing in the formation of mountains. So I will show you how my model works. So this was my model of social science.
I have represented rock cycle. First of all, from volcano, lava comes out. Lava cools down and becomes igneous rock. Then igneous rock break down into small particles known as sediments. Then sediments, due to pressure, sediments make a hard material known as sedimentary rock. And sedimentary rock rush down and make metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock, due to pressure and high temperature at the surface down the soil, it becomes molten magma, and magma comes out as lava, and this process happens time to time. It is known as rock cycle. Thank you.
My working model of earthquake, which measures the seismic wave.
Customize the motor, wire, buzzer and start the model. This takes the model as earthquake and measure the seismic wave on paper.
Features made by a river in a floodplain. So let me explain my project. This is the main river. As the river enters the plain, it twists and turns, forming large bends known as meanders.
In this model, I have shown an iconic monument from our capital, the Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar was built by the first Sultan of Delhi Sultanate, Qutbuddin Aibar, to commemorate his conquest of northern India.
This is my model, rainwater harvesting. This is collection tank, this is purifier tank, and this is well. First we will pour some water in the collection tank. Then it will come into the purifier tank. After purification, the water will come into the well.
After the wonderful social science exhibition, we now have the computer science exhibition as Oak Grove encourages the young students to learn and connect with modern technology.
Hello everyone, my name is Srishti Raj. I am a student of class 6 and here it is my computer science model. I tried to tell you how the network work goes. So here are some network towers and here electronic gadgets like monitor, mobile phones and here is a building and people living in this building use networks for the electronic gadgets. Thank you.
I am Abhinav Kumar Singh from class 8. This is my computer model showing star topology. In star topology, we have a central device that controls and transmits all the internet that passes through these devices. If this device is broken, the internet that is passing between these devices would be stopped. Hello, myself Vinamra Vibhuti of class 9 Tagore House. I have made a computer project on the topic P2P network. Peer-to-peer is a network in which all the computers have the equal capacity and capabilities which are connected on the network to share information. In P2P network, there is no central server. All the computer can act as a server as well as the clients. Here, a hub is there which transfer the data from one computer to another. Thank you.
Myself Anshika Gupta from class 7th Oak Grove School. Today I am going to show you my computer science model. Here we will know the decimal numbers and their binary numbers. Here in this one we will know 1 to 5 and in this one we will know 6 to 10. So first of all we will know about 1 to 5. In one binary number is 1. Then here it comes of 2, binary number is 10. 4, the binary number is 100. And this was my model. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Udasvi Yadav and I am in class. This is my computer science project. It is a game which I have designed with the help of programming application known as Scratch. I call it the platformer game. The main character here is this. It is known as Peter. The main objective of the game is to collect the reward that is the crystal. It moves with the help of the arrow keys. As we can see, when it jumps, it shrinks. It is because that if it jumps and it might get stuck here at the upper platform. I hope you like it. Thank you.
Well, that was quite a innovative presentation by the students, both in the field of social science as well as information technology. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's a matter of pride for the entire school that many of the ex-Ogrovians are placed at very high designations and are playing a vital role as COVID warriors, serving the society to fight against the pandemic. They have sent their messages for the society and school. Next up, we have a short message by Mr. Ravish Gupta, District Magistrate, Sultanpur, Uttar Pradesh.
Greetings, Ogrovians young and old. On the joyous occasion of the 133rd Founders Day of our glorious alma mater, I extend my warm wishes to all the students and staff who join me virtually in this celebration. I was a full-term scholar of Oak Grove from 1994 to 2004. After graduating from Oak Grove, I pursued my mechanical engineering degree from University of Pantnagar and thereafter MBA from IIT Delhi. I was also proud to serve this great institution, Indian Railways, for 2 years. Thereafter, I joined the Indian Administrative Service, in which I currently serve as the District Magistrate and Collector of Sultanpur District, Uttar Pradesh. In my capacity, like other officers in my position, we have been waging a hard fight against the COVID pandemic. In this hard fight, the never give up attitude and spirit of Oak Grove has been a great help in taking us forward every day. Today, on this occasion, I, along with my fellow Oak Grovians, take a pledge to serve the nation and the society with the same undying OG spirit to make our alma mater proud and strive to, in the words of the great H.P. Watts, in all things faithful be. Thank you.
Next up, ladies and gentlemen, is the message of Shweta Srivastav Vikram. Based in New York, she is an award-winning author, global speaker, and Ayurveda coach.
Happy Founders Day, OG family. We can't be in person this year. My heart goes out to anyone and everyone who's lost a loved one to COVID. May the suffering decrease, and as cliched as it sounds, we are stronger together. So here is hoping lots of love and healing for all of us. My name is Shweta Srivastav Vikram. I graduated from Oak Grove in 1993, I know, a while back. I am a New York-based author, an Ayurveda and mindset coach, and a speaker who helps people thrive on their own terms. Oak Grove is where I fell in love with writing, or I realized I loved writing so much that that's how I wanted to spend my professional life. Also, while we lived there, I hated the fog and the mist and the mountains, but for me to complete my book, that's where I returned to, mountains, greenery. So the reason I share that is Oak Grove is such an amazing space to help you realize your potential, but also pay attention to the things you don't like, because you never know how they end up molding your career. So wishing you all the best, stay safe, stay healthy, and wish you much success, not just on this Founders Day, but always. Be well.
Well, it's a matter of pride for the entire school that many of these high-placed ex-Ogrovians, they are with us today on this occasion. They have joined from far and wide over the globe. Well, every year the school recognizes the academic efforts of the students by presenting a gold medal, certificate of merit, and cash prize of rupees 1000 to the students who score 90% and above marks in CBSE board examination of 10th and 12th. In the year 1920, the winners of the award from class 10th boys are Abhinav Akash, Swatan Tiwari, Tarun Kumar, Harsh Pandey, Sumit Sagar, Piyush Kumar, Ankur Kumar, Ayush Kumar, and Abhinav Anand. Moving on to class 10th girls, Sana Sumi, Rishita Raj, Shreya, and Shreya Saxena. Now we move on to class 12th boys, Vipul Kumar Rana, Jatin Yadav, Mridul Krishan, Dheeraj Divakar, Akash Deep Singh, Shivam Rawat, Uttam Kumar, Shivaji House, Uttam Kumar, Patel House, and Avdesh Kumar Yadav. Moving on to class 12th girls, Sheetal Mishra, Ishita, Anjali Shikha, Sanjukta, Aditi Joshi, and Kirti Pawar.
Next on your screens, ladies and gentlemen, is a melodious song full of nostalgia, where the boys and girls remember their beloved Oak Grove and yearn to return back to its wonderful campus. As for Oak Grovians, their alma mater is not only a place to learn, but also a home away from home.
वो गर्मियों की रात, वो जाड़े की बात, वो पानी का मटका, रसोई की याद, सब सताता है मुझे। घर याद आता है मुझे, घर याद आता है मुझे। साथी के साथ है इतनी सी बात है, वो पेड़ वो आंगन दिखाना है उसे, कहता है रोज मन मुझे। घर याद आता है मुझे, ओ घर याद आता है मुझे। जिन दिलों में रहा मैं बरसों तक, एक हिस्सा उनमें मेरा भी था, फिर वहीं रहना है मुझे। घर याद आता है मुझे, घर याद आता है मुझे। सहमी चौखट पे खड़ी मेरा मन ही कहे, प्यार करना सीखा था तुमसे, प्यार तुमसे फिर पाना है। तुम दोगे सजा, अब तो दे दो दुआ, इंतजार अब है मुझे। घर याद आता है मुझे, हो घर याद आता है मुझे। घर याद आता है मुझे, हो घर याद आता है मुझे।
Continuing with the exhibitions, next on your screens is the mathematics exhibition put up by our laborious mathematics department.
It is a multiplication table wheel. When we will rotate this wheel, it will work. So, see, I am rotating this. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. I have made the model on the topic fraction from math. First part stated the fraction is 1 by 4. Second part stated the fraction is 2 by 4. Third part stated the fraction is 3 by 4. The fourth part stated the fraction is 4 by 4.
This is my model. Its name is geometrical robot. As you can see, it has many shapes like cone, cuboid, sphere, cuboid, cylinder, triangle, cube, cylinder, cuboid. Math project on expanded form and place value. 987 expanded form is 9 multiplied by 100 is 900. 8 multiplied by 10 is 80. And 7 multiplied by 1 is 7.
My model name is before and after number. Let's start.
flow. This is number 1. And so what comes for number 1? It is 0. And what comes after number 1? It is 2.
I had made a project of maths on topic polygon. Polygon is a flat shape with at least 3 and usually 5 or more angles and straight sides.
My maths project on the topic the graph of sine x. We can see this graph of sine x. Now I have the working model for the sine wave. As you can see, a beautiful wave of sine x.
I'll be presenting the conic sections as my maths model. So when a plane intersects a cone horizontally, the curve which we get is called a circle, and as we keep on tilting the plane, we get different curves such as ellipse, parabola, hyperbola.
I have created a maths project on the topic Pythagoras theorem. According to the Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, base square plus perpendicular square is equal to the hypotenuse square.
So your mathematics quiz board game.
Just assemble a joystick, buzzer, LED, some electric wires and pages having question and their answer. Now use your brain and make the LED glow with the buzzer sound. Enrich your skill with different sheet of knowledge.
I have made a maths project on the topic sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. Here a triangle is there. Angle P is equals to angle 4 and angle C is equals to angle 5. It makes a straight angle which is 180 degrees.
Thank you for watching.
We now have the science exhibition put together by the students of the very active science department.
Hello everyone, I am Shreya Saxena of class 12 and this is my chemistry project on the topic oxygen cafeteria. As we all know, during this pandemic, lots and lots of people are dying due to the lack of oxygen in the hospital. So an idea came into my mind to prepare oxygen at home. Oxygen cafeteria would be very much required for the future generation instead of tea and coffee. So here I have taken some amount of manganese dioxide and added a few amount of H2O, that is hydrogen peroxide, in a flask. Then we heated it and the oxygen from here goes to the container. And from here we can see some bubbles are formed. So from here we can see that the oxygen is filled in the gas jar, and from here we can take out the gas jar and fill the other gas jar like this.
Terra means Earth, and when we provide terrestrial mode of life to any living, it is called terrarium. We have made a closed terrarium here for a living plant.
In plants, there are 3 processes: photosynthesis, respiration, and transpiration. The product of photosynthesis is used in photosynthesis. And in transpiration, the water goes up and evaporates and it comes back to the soil because it is a closed terrarium. Closed terrariums can be used in laboratories for preserving plants in living conditions.
Myself Sarthak Saxena and myself Rayan. Today we are going to perform an experiment named as chemical sunset. Due to this pandemic, no one is able to go out of their homes and everyone are locked inside their rooms. So an idea came into our mind to create chemical sunset in lab.
Here we can see a sunlight image is being formed. Now I have added some hydrochloric acid to sodium thiosulfate solution. After some time, we will observe that the solution will become cloudy and give us a sunset light.
I, Sonal Kumar of class 9th. I have made a gas burner from CaC2 for chemistry project.
This is my working model of a hydraulic bridge.
This is an anemometer. The work of an anemometer is to measure the speed of a wind. When the wind blows and hit the glasses, it moves, and when it moves, it shows the speed of a wind. Thank you.
So when we'll put on the switch and we'll start shaking, this will start buzzing. This system can provide warning of ground shaking during an earthquake.
Well, those were the wonderful presentations by the students. And previously, the students sang a very melodious song remembering the alma mater, that is Oak Grove School. Well, ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the award ceremony once again. Northern Railway Women's Welfare Organization sponsors prizes every year to the outstanding students of the CBSE board examination, which comprises a cash prize and a certificate. This time, we are highly grateful to the President NRWWO for having increased the cash prize from 1500 to rupees 2000, and for the outstanding performance in the board examination of 1920 from class 10th. The awarded students are Abhinav Akash and Sana Sumi, and from class 12th, Vipul Kumar Rana and Sheetal Mishra. For being so benevolent in encouraging the students' academic performance, I request Mrs. Shikha Gangal, President, Northern Railway Women's Welfare Organization, to encourage the students by a few words of encouragement. Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, kindly unmute yourself, ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। आज के कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि GM/NR, विशिष्ट अतिथि CPO/NR, स्कूल के बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर के सदस्य, प्रिंसिपल महोदय, सभी टीचर्स, सभी स्टूडेंट, स्कूल के नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ, NRWW के सदस्य और उपस्थित गणमान्य व्यक्तियों को मेरा अभिवादन। मैं इस बात से बहुत प्रसन्न हूँ कि मुझे भारतीय रेल के महत्वपूर्ण स्कूल के 134वें स्थापना दिवस पर आपके सम्मुख अपने विचार रखने का अवसर मिला। NRWW का इस स्कूल के साथ एक महत्वपूर्ण जुड़ाव रहा है। प्रतिवर्ष NRWW के द्वारा कक्षा 10 और 12 के मेधावी छात्रों को पुरस्कृत किया जा रहा है और यह जानकर अत्यधिक प्रसन्नता होती है कि यह स्कूल जनपद या राज्य स्तर पर ही नहीं अपितु राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर भी अपनी पहचान बनाए हुए है। इस स्कूल के छात्रों के अच्छे परीक्षा परिणामों को जानकर बहुत खुशी होती है। यह परीक्षा परिणाम अध्यापकों और छात्रों के अथक परिश्रम का ही परिणाम है। इसके लिए सभी अध्यापक और विद्यार्थियों को बधाई के पात्र हैं। सदैव उत्तम की कामना करना एवं उसके लिए निरंतर प्रयास करना इस स्कूल की मूल भावना रही है। इस स्कूल ने सदा ही उच्च नैतिक मूल्यों का पालन किया है तथा समय की मांग के अनुसार तकनीक का प्रयोग करते हुए अपने विद्यार्थियों को वर्तमान के प्रतिस्पर्धी संसार के योग बनाया है। आज इस बात की सबसे अधिक आवश्यकता है कि हम अपने विद्यार्थियों को रचनात्मक कार्यों में लगाएं, जिससे कि वो अच्छे नागरिक के रूप में समाज को अपना योगदान दे सकें। मैं ग्रोव स्कूल को इस बात के लिए बधाई देती हूँ कि ये स्कूल विद्यार्थियों को उनकी पढ़ाई के लिए एक बहुत ही सुख वातावरण एवं सुविधाएं प्रदान करके अपने छात्रों को किसी से भी पीछे नहीं रहने दे रहा है। जीवन के लिए शिक्षा बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। ज्ञान को कोई चुरा नहीं सकता और आपका ये ज्ञान आपको अपने सपनों को साकार करने का अवसर देता है। हमको अपने जीवन में अच्छी शिक्षा प्राप्त करने के लिए सदैव प्रयत्नशील रहना चाहिए। शिक्षा की तुलना भूमि में पड़े उस बीज से भी की जा सकती है जो उचित रोशनी, पानी और हवा मिलने पर एक विशाल पेड़ में बदल जाता है और जो दुनिया को ताजे फल, आश्रय और साफ हवा देता है। अच्छी शिक्षा से मनुष्य का चरित्र निर्माण होता है और यह किसी भी व्यक्ति को इस योग्य बनाती है कि वह अपने समाज एवं देश का नेतृत्व कर सके। मैं यह कामना करती हूँ कि इस स्कूल से जुड़े सभी लोग अपने अपने योगदान से इसको और अधिक बल प्रदान करें आज की इस महामारी से हम मुकाबला कर रहे हैं, इससे जीत कर हम फिर से सामान्य जीवन की ओर लौट सकें। विद्यालय के 134वें स्थापना दिवस पर मेरी सभी को बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। आप स्वस्थ रहें, सुरक्षित रहें। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful words, and definitely they shall go a long way in encouraging the students in their future endeavors. Moving on with the awards, owing to the online classes, the criterion for the award of the most disciplined student has been punctuality in the classes, proper response during the online classes, and completion of the assigned work which was given online. From junior school, the students are Devan Srivastav 3A, Anshika Singh 3B, Aradhya Pradhan 4A, Anmol Satyam 4B, Aditya Prakash 5A, and Sakshi Priya 5B. Moving on to boys school, from class 6, Akshat Gangwar, Akash Deep Das, class 7th, Aditya Ranjan 8th, Raju Kumar, class 9th, Ritesh Kumar, class 10th, Abhinav Kumar Singh and Ashwik Shi from class 11th, and Aditya Tiwari from class 12th. Now moving on to girls school, Anshika Gupta, class 6th, Sanchini, class 7th, Aditi Akarsh, class 8th, Shreya Rani, class 9th, Srishti Mishra, class 10th, Shreya Saxena, class 11th, and Shinjini Das, class 12th. Reverting to the messages of the ex-Ogrovians, ladies and gentlemen, next we have a short message from Mr. Tabish Nawaz, a scientist and working as an assistant professor at IIT Mumbai.
Dear students of Oak Grove School, I am Tabish Nawaz, presently an assistant professor in Environmental Science and Engineering Department at IIT Bombay. I have done my bachelor's and master's from IIT Kharagpur and did my PhD from University of Massachusetts. I am doing teaching and research in the area of wastewater treatment, resource recovery, and emerging contaminants.
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा तो
The
पास
job
में
of
कान के लगा
flexibility.
लड़का बोल रहा है तो कान में लगा कर सुन रही हूँ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था आवाज हल्की हो रही है
Free short stories and essays, which I regularly publish in anthologies, literary journals, magazines, and books. So, on the occasion of Founders Day, I wish you a very happy Founders Day. And I also take this as an opportunity to communicate to the students about the need of inculcating scientific temperament and environmental awareness in our
Hello?
daily lives. As we know, we are witnessing a devastating pandemic, and also the result of our various activities have led to a lot of catastrophic events which are happening at heightened frequencies and intensity. So the path out of this morass is, of course, scientific path, but also it needs some environmental awareness, that we should have some empathy for all the living creatures, and also understanding and appreciation of all inanimate beings in our nature, like rain, water, wind, river, mountains. So we need to understand that they also have their needs and requirements, and it is not that they are there just to serve our consumerist tendencies. On this occasion, I expect the students to learn and develop these empathetic relationships with the Mother Nature. Thank you.
Next up, ladies and gentlemen, is Bhaskar Roy, Dr. Bhaskar Roy rather, a neurosurgeon and head of department Poonam Medicare from Kolkata, presenting his views.
Hello everyone. This is Dr. Bhaskar Roy, HOD Neurosurgery, Poonam Medicare, Kolkata. I'm a proud Ogrovian of the 1987 batch. Oak Grove which taught me discipline, dedication, and punctuality. Based on these platforms, what I am today, and I gained the spirit and strength to fight against the ongoing pandemic. I request you all, stay safe, stay healthy, help yourselves, help others, follow the norms, help us protect you, and enlighten the name of our school, our alma mater. We love the school of ours. Thank you all.
Now we have a short skit by senior boys and girls where they show glimpses of challenges in online teaching and learning as the teacher and the taught struggle to cope with academics.
I hope you all are doing great and revising the previous topics. We shall be starting the further topics. So, as I have taught earlier about tell me what is force?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are clearly audible. Go on, answer me.
Sir, force is something.
Ayan, you are not audible to me.
भैया मेरी बुक देखिए।
अरे नहीं देखिए, जाओ ऐसे क्लास चलिए मेरी।
Oh, so you were using trick on me. I think you should use your brain in your studies rather than using the trick on your teachers. So as we continue further, we talk about deforming force. This force produces a change in the normal positions of its molecules.
And couldn't have my breakfast. वैसे class is also important and I'm feeling hungry too. क्या करूँ? ऐसा करती हूँ, वीडियो बंद करके कुछ खा लेती हूँ.
And when we bring the topic of molecules,
वैसे भी किचन से क्या खुशबू आ रही है? लगता है मम्मी ने कुछ यम्मी बनाया है. वाओ.
Yashita,
Yes, sir.
just be in the present situation and be in the topic which I am teaching you.
Sorry, sir.
So Ayan and Yashita, today we have learned that force is a push or a pull which causes an object to move. Nobody motivate yourself, then only you will be able to move in the right direction.
Well, that was a apt presentation on the present day situation when due to the network connectivities and various other issues, there are so many situations and sometimes they are funny and sometimes serious also. Well, moving on to the honoring part of the students, next to be honored for being selected as captain and vice captain. Vice captain, boys junior school, Aniket Anand. Captain Boys Junior School Tanmoy Roy, Vice Captain Girls Junior School Priyanshi, Captain Girls Junior School Priyanka Kumari, Vice Captain Girls School Ekta Rajlal, Captain Girls School Mahi Singh, Vice Captain Boys School Harsh Raj, and Captain Boys School Ansh Thaplyal. We congratulate them for being a part of the school portfolio holders. Alok Ranjan Memorial Scholarship is awarded every year by the school in the memory of late Master Alok Ranjan, The scholarship is awarded every year to a boy who scores the highest percentage of marks in class 8th for the next 2 years. The scholarship comprises a cash prize of rupees 1000 per month for a period of 24 months. This year, the scholarship goes to Ankit V. Shiksharthi, class 10th. We congratulate him for being the winner of the scholarship.
Now, continuing with the program, we are presenting the Home Science exhibition, showcasing the efforts of the students who are not only bringing accolades in academics, but are also learning basic home science skills.
Hello everyone, I am Bhumi from class 8th. Today I am going to decorate a cake. So this is how my cake looks like after decoration.
Today, I Soma Singh of class 7th of Oak Grove School is going to show you a project on art. So this is the sand clock. It was used by early Egyptians in the 14th century.
Everyone, this is Avsar Rathod of class 12, a student of Oak Grove, and I'm taking part in this cooking competition. So today the dishes I'm going to make is barbecue chicken.
Good morning everyone. Myself Shrishti of class 7th Mirabai House. This is my home science project, Jhumar. Things I used to make this Jhumar is moti, other type of moti. These are pipes, needle and thread, and beads, and plate. You can clearly see. Thank you.
After the fascinating home science exhibition, we now have the colorful art exhibition on the theme, We Shall Overcome. Hum honge kamyab.
that was a apt presentation in the field of life skills by the boys and girls, may it be home science or fine arts. Reverting once again to the ex-Ogrovians, ladies and gentlemen, are the views of Mr. Shantanu Parashar, an IPS officer working as DYSP in Haldwani, Uttarakhand.
साथियों, मैं शांतनु पाराशर, सीओ हल्द्वानी, आपको ओग्रो स्कूल के फाउंडर्स डे की बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ। ये ओग्रो में 2003 से 2006 के वर्ष रहे, यहाँ पे मैंने अपनी 10th क्लास भी पूरी करी। ये काफ़ी मेरे फाउंडेशन ईयर्स थे। यहाँ पे जो मैंने पढ़ाई करी, जता जो भी सीनियर्स के साथ उनके दिशा निर्देशन में जो भी तैयारी करी, वो मेरे आगे के लिए फाउंडेशन बनी। मेरा करियर आगे जाके अच्छा रहा। वहाँ की जो यादें हैं, अपनी मसूरी की यादें, ये अभी तक मेरे लिए काफ़ी खास हैं। आप लोगों को मैं इस फाउंडर्स डे पे हैप्पी फाउंडर्स डे कहना चाहूँगा। ये हमारा पहली बार है कि हम एक डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे ऑनलाइन फाउंडर्स डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। आगे चाहेंगे कि हम फिर से अपने स्कूल में फाउंडर्स डे सेलिब्रेट करें और काफ़ी अच्छा हो। हैप्पी फाउंडर्स डे।
Next up are the views of Mr. Anand Singh Rawat, who is a retired Major General from Indian Army and presently serving as Chairman, Uttarakhand Public Service Commission.
Dear students, principal and staff, and fellow Ogrovians, on the occasion of the 133rd Founders Day of our alma mater, I extend my warm greetings and felicitations to you all. As you know, Ogrove is a very unique institution which prepares young minds to fight the challenges of life with a lot of grit and determination. I have had a career in the army in the service of the nation of 3.5 decades. I owe all the success of this career to the rock-solid foundation which the school gave me. I am very proud to be an Ogrovian. Today, as the chairman of the Uttarakhand Public Service Commission, I am working with the same attitude to meet the aspirations of the state and the youth of the state. I am very optimistic that these tough and grim times will not pass. They too shall pass. Only thing that we must remember is to be more focused, be more positive and resilient to spring back to life once this is over. Be safe, take care, Jai Hind.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for our cultural program. And next on your screens is a creative dance presentation by junior and senior girls portraying If Winter Comes, Can Spring Be Far Behind?
मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया। वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया। बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ। सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Everybody's looking for a happy ending. Happy ending, happy ending. हर कहानी की हो happy ending. ख्वाहिश वो दौलत की हो, जैसे होते हैं ख्याली बातों में सभी के वैसे ही बुरे अरमान हो। सबका भला हो, सबका सही हो, अपना भी लेकिन सबसे सही हो, हमसे ना ऊपर कोई कहीं हो। सबका भला हो, सबका सही हो, सबका भला हो, सबका सही हो, अपना भी लेकिन सबसे सही हो, हमसे ना ऊपर कोई कहीं हो। सबका भला हो, सबका सही हो, सबका भला हो, सबका सही हो, अपना भी लेकिन सबसे सही हो, हमसे ना ऊपर कोई कहीं हो। सबका भला हो, सबका सही हो, सबका भला हो, सबका सही हो, अपना भी लेकिन सबसे सही हो, हमसे ना ऊपर कोई कहीं हो। सबका भला हो, सबका सही हो।
Rightly said by the children, सबका भला हो, सबका सही हो, and we are definitely all looking forward for a happy ending. May there be no further damage to the society by this pandemic. Well, moving on to the award section once again. Next, we have the awards for the best students in various categories. First, best in music from junior school Megomitra Haldar, from boys school Aritra Banerjee, and from girls school Priyashi. Best in dance from junior school Priyanshi, from boys school once again Aritra Banerjee, and from girls school Vagisha. Next is the category of best in field of art and painting from junior school Yashita Ratudi, from boys school Ankush Kumar Yadav, and from girls school Shivangi Anand. Next we recognize the most creative students from junior school Dhruv Soni and Sakshi Gupta, from girls school Varisha, and from boys school Aman Raj. Upcoming next, award for the best NCC cadet, Shagun Upadhyay from girls and Akash Kumar Sinha from boys. We congratulate all the award winners.
Next, ladies and gentlemen, is a skit by the ever cheerful and energetic junior students, where they showcase the importance of honesty while appearing in online exams.
चंद किस्से तुम्हें अब सुनाएंगे हम, टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स और स्टूडेंट्स का अनोखा रिश्ता दिखाएंगे। आजकल कोरोना के वजह से हर इंस्टीट्यूशन में ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रहे हैं। इन ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के दौरान हर स्टूडेंट के लाइफ में कुछ न कुछ इंसिडेंट होते हैं और कुछ बहुत फनी भी होते हैं। इस प्रश्न का उत्तर देवांश देगा। चलो देवांश, फटाफट अपना वीडियो और माइक्रोफोन ऑन करो। चलो फटाफट। ये पक्का खेल रहा होगा। तुम्हारा मोबाइल हैक हो गया था? अरे मैम, देवांश को चोरी के पीछे का टीवी तो देखिए। Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Morning, Rani. Goodbye. Online classes का program begins. The number you are calling is currently in his online classes. Please call after some time. अगला प्रश्न के उत्तर मुझे अनुराग देगा। Yes, ma'am. आइए देखते हैं हमारे स्कूल ओजीएस के बच्चे एग्जाम की तैयारी कैसे कर रहे हैं। मुझे हमेशा कहा है Honesty is the best policy और मुझे उसे करना ही। हम लोग दोनों को अपना एग्जाम ईमानदारी से देना है, इसलिए तुम ना मेरा देखो ना हम तेरा देखेंगे। ठीक है, तुम अपना देखो मैं अपना देखूंगा।
अगर मैं चाहूँ तो ये बुक्स और कॉपीज का मदद लेके मैं अपने टेस्ट में लिख सकता हूँ, लेकिन मैं ऐसा नहीं करूँगा। अपनी टीचर्स और मम्मी पापा का भरोसा कभी नहीं तोड़ूंगा।
हमारे टीचर्स और मम्मी पापा ने हमारे लिए बहुत मेहनत किया है। अब हमारी बात है उनके मेहनत को सफल करने की। चले ईमानदारी से एग्जाम देने के लिए। यही तो हम ओग्रोवियंस की पहचान है।
I am proud to be an Ogrovian. Stay home.
Stay safe. When mask is on, then life is on.
Thank you for watching.
Well, that was a beautiful presentation by the junior students, and obviously this attitude of the student definitely promises the hope, as they are saying that we shall be true to our parents as well as our teachers. Well, ladies and gentlemen, teachers are said to be the backbone of the society and nation builders, and we recognize their services academically and in the overall development of the students. To be honored from junior school, Miss Lalans Priti Lakda, Mrs. Surbi Sharma, and Mrs. Anjali Dubey. From boys school, Mr. R.K. Nagpal, Anupam Singh, Mr. R.N. Yadav, Mr. Santosh Kumar, Mr. Ranjit Shi, and Mr. Vishwajit Sharma. Moving on to girls' school, Miss Niru Kushwaha, Mrs. Manisha Sharma, Mrs. Dharya Nagpal, Miss Nisha Shalini, and Miss Kusum Lata. We congratulate all the teachers and may their efforts continue in the same way in the future as well. Well, ladies and gentlemen, summing up today's proceedings, we have an expression by the ex-Ogrovians in the form of school song Feeling Nostalgic.
Ogrovians young and old, come join in cheerful song, the honor of our school uphold. When voice is clear and strong,
We leave the plains and heat, our homes and friends below, and on these rugged mountains meet. Like purpose is to know.
new glories ride a fame.
We love this school of ours, we hope to stay true. We'll serve her in her darkest hours, and in her glory too. This place wherein we live, fair gem of this earth's crown, things earnest for which we must give, regardless of renown.
And when we leave a grove,
Embarking on life's sea, we'll never forget the school we love. But going to her way, in future years we pray, God's blessing she may see, and that her sons and daughters may. Hail on things faithfully.
That was
Let us continue, Mr. Singh. If it is not
you.
played, let us continue further.
well, that was quite a nostalgic expression by our ex-Ogrovians. Next, I would like to request Mrs. Pramila Bhargav, Principal Chief Personnel Officer, Northern Railway, and Executive Governor, BOG Oak Grove School, to address the online gathering. Ma'am.
ओए भाई हो गया कबाड़ा हो गया कबाड़ा
PCMD Yadaji, PRM Tarun Prakash, who all are in the board of governors. Principal Abhishek Kesarwani, all teachers, all support staff, dear students, all the awardees of Founders Days, and also ex-Oak Grovians. It makes me feel proud to see this prestigious and premier heritage institute of Indian Railways thriving through its long journey of 133 years. It was set up in 1888 by the East India Company for the Anglo-Indian Railway Employees Corps, and today it has entered 134th year. The older an institution grows, the greater becomes its vigor and utility. Therefore, we are proud to be associated with an institution which has completed 133 successful years. This institution has always stood tall and has shown resilience, not only by surviving, but also excelling in various fields, whether it is sports, academics, personality development, or any other field. The students of this great institution are spread around the globe and are contributing immensely to the society. We have seen so many video clips and which principal has organized, and it's a matter of big proud moment for us that so many people, they are in IAS, IPS, army, scientists, railway officers, and they are abroad, and they all are very proud. I can see, like, they are very proud that they are passed out from this Oak Raven school. And also, I really admire the institution unwavering commitment to improve every day for the sake of our students. Also, it is very gratifying to know that the work done by a support staff there is outstanding. The school has excellent traditions, and these have been meticulously nurtured and preserved and have stood brave in its thick and thin. The whole surroundings of peace and tranquility, unruffled by the din of city life and setting of natural harmony, contribute to the basic need of the ideal educational institution. Due to the extraordinary circumstances, you have been forced to be at your homes, but it is now up to you to make good use of it. Not only that, like the way you all are doing some cooking competition, and parents are also contributing. I will also suggest if you can add singing also. Singing, like, some sort of singing, because what happened at present, children, they have a lot of energy and they are not coming to the school. So they have to vent out to their energy levels. Also, if we can arrange some PT classes also for them. So, like, what happens otherwise, parents are finding it difficult to cope up with their kids' energies, and they cannot allow the children also to go out, and because of COVID situation, they're too scared to send their children out to play also. So this will channelize the energy also. That's my request, Abhishek. Request is up to you. And also a word of compliment for this young dynamic principal, Abhishek. we know how difficult it is to get admission in OGRO. So many people are approaching us and it's become so difficult. And this time Abhishek has conducted exam at 6 different places. So my compliments to you and my compliments to your all teaching staff who are so dedicated. And we really appreciate so many models were made. This water harvesting and all these models, and not only that, you can also teach your children to follow in real life. These models, like for example, I have gone to Maldives. What I saw, Maldives is surrounded by sea, and whatever water they have is only water harvesting. That's all. In their house, everyone collects water in the tanks, which are placed in the ground level, and that water is only used. And this school has made a remarkable effort in the direction of using technology also. My compliments to all and my thanks to GM, who has always contributed and looked after that school. And my sincere thanks to Ma'am Shikha Ma'am, who has contributed generously for our children and also agreed to come for this function. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful words of encouragement. And we definitely hope that the school shall strive forward under your able guidance. Coming towards the culmination of today's program, I now request Mr. Ashutosh Gangal, General Manager, Northern Railway and Chairman, Board of Governors, Oak Grove School, to speak a few words of encouragement and bless the online gathering. Sir.
Thank you, Mr. Anupam Singh. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Today's guest of honor, Srimati Shikha Gangal, President NRWWO, all the members of NRWWO, the guest of honor, Srimati Pramila Bhargav, who is also executive capacity, the members of Board of Governors of the school and my colleagues from Northern Railway Headquarters, Principal Mr. Abhishek Kesarwani, all the teachers of Oak Grove School, ex-Oak Grove students who have participated so happily at this event today, all the students who are the purpose behind the school and without whom the school is never complete, all the supporting staff who perhaps play behind the scenes but are very, very integral to running of the school. It is a very happy occasion that we have gathered here, although it's somewhat unusual circumstances. We have been witness to an excellent program. The exhibition was very, very good. The models displayed the innovative approach of the students and the encouragement and the guidance provided by the students in ample measure. The program that was presented was excellent. Despite the limitations of COVID and the online presentation, the program was excellent. My compliments to the entire team that has worked so hard to make it. And the saddest part was that we could not even clap because of the limitations of the online, because everybody has to be in mute mode because otherwise the entire program gets disturbed. But the program was really praiseworthy. Best compliments to all the students and the teachers who have worked with it. The last but not the least, the ex-students doing so well and participating so actively in the event shows that the school has a very great value attached to it, that people feel pride and pleasure in belonging to it, which is a sure sign of success for any school. And my compliments to all of the school faculty for that. The online mode has one distinct advantage. It permits a very wide audience to join, like all of the Board of Governors, all of the school, a large number of ex-Oak Grovians could join. That was thanks to this. Of course, the disadvantage, no clapping and no real encouragement for the students, because they would have felt far more pleasure in coming up to the stage and accepting the award for their excellent performance. But I am sure that the next few years they will have that satisfaction also. The corona pandemic has thrown the normal life out of gear, and it is really praiseworthy that the passing out batches of 10th and 12th have proved their mettle, as the academic result of the last academic year has been, as usual, outstanding. And this has been made possible due to unflinching efforts of teachers and students. And I hope that this year also, despite all the limitations of the corona pandemic, the school shall strive to meet the standards of performance that it is been known for. The school has done a wonderful job in the form of emulating the technology in favor of students, which shall definitely bear sweet fruits in the coming future. I have come to know that teachers have been provided with laptops to enable the distance teaching, and labs have been equipped with the state-of-the-art headphones and pen labs to enable teachers to take their classes with maximum ease and efficiency. It is due to the difficult situation which we are presently facing that the students are at far ends and they are joining in online mode. But it is commendable that both teachers and students have been trying to maintain the normal classroom environment as much as possible. Efforts made by the school on the academic front have been outstanding during the lockdown, and I am sure that the students must have benefited immensely as much as the resources could provide for. The upcoming batches of the board classes should not feel discouraged. Rather, I expect them to bounce back with greater zeal and enthusiasm. The students, we have to understand that social distancing and stay-at-home orders are extended throughout the country, and many students are coming to terms to the fact that focusing on classes becomes extremely difficult for many. But it seems to be that this is the new normal for last 1.5 years, and hopefully this should end soon. Staying motivated in these circumstances can be tricky, but it can be made easier for yourself by setting realistic standard schedules and by taking time to care for yourself. Though this pandemic can feel like it will be endless, it will, like all pandemics in the past, eventually pass. Staying motivated can help refocus our attention away from these stressful changes and towards a more hopeful future. Scheduling when you will study and when you will relax can also help you to maintain a healthy balance between work and studies at home. The most important thing is that you can dedicate a chunk of your day to study, and then the remaining should be your relaxation time. I acknowledge the efforts of the school administration in the direction of keeping the school's campus safe from COVID infection. It is truly remarkable that not even one case was caused during the nearly 2 months of classroom study, which shows a great deal of effort put in by the school management. The corona spread has taken a toll on the grant program which used to be put up on the occasion, and the program that was put up was within the limitations of online, but a very, very commendable effort. This special day, we pay our rich tributes to the visionaries whose 133-year-old vision still stands tall and holds coveted position among all the government-run residential schools across the country. Though many of the routine activities have been anchored by the pandemic, but we should remember in the past, each year has added a new feather in the cap. It may be academic, sports, and we hope as the situation becomes normal, the school shall keep adding new colors to the rainbow with each passing year. My greetings to all the members of the Oak Grove School family on the 134th Founders Day. May you all remain healthy, happy, and safe. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful words. And we definitely wish and hope that your blessings will continue on the school as they have been in the past, and under your guidance and blessings, the school shall definitely continue to flourish as it has been. Last but not the least, I request Dr. Sanjay Dubey, Headmaster Boys School, to propose the formal vote of thanks. Sir.
Good afternoon to one and all present on the online platform to commemorate the 134th Founders Day of Oak Grove School. I extend a heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Ashutosh Gangal, General Manager, Northern Railway, who is also Chairman, Board of Governors, Oak Grove School, and Mrs. Shikha Gangal, President, Northern Railway Women's Welfare Organization, for having spared their valuable time out of their extremely busy schedule to grace the occasion by their benign presence and being a source of inspiration for students and staff. I also thank Mrs. Pramila Bhargava, Principal Chief Personnel Officer, Northern Railway, and Executive Governor, BOG Oak Grove School, for being a constant source of inspiration for the school. I thank esteemed members of BOG Oak Grove School, Ms. Chandralekha Mukherjee, SDGM, Mr. Chandra Prakash Gupta, PCE, Mr. S.K. Kaushik, PFA, Dr. N.K. Yadav, PCMD, and Mr. Tarun Prakash, Divisional Railway Manager, Moradabad Division, being a continuous source of guidance and support to this great institution of Indian Railways. Ex-Ogrovian also deserve commendation for having joined on the occasion from far off distances, which shows their attachment to their alma mater. I thank students for being a very good audience, presenting various exhibitions and other cultural items to make the program a grand success. I'm also grateful to Mr. Abhishek Kesarwani, Principal Oak Grove School, for meticulous arrangement and guidance throughout the preparation, without which we would not have landed on solid grounds. Also, the team Oak Grove School, comprising of teachers like Mr. Anupam Singh, Ms. Dhairya Nagpal, Ms. Nisha Shalini, led by HMGS and FGS, who were the real performer of this successful show. I especially thank IT Cell Baroda House and Ms. Divya WLI for entire technical support, which was backbone of entire presentation. In the end, I would like to thank Almighty for having showered His blessings on the program and making it successful. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, we come to an end of the online program on the occasion of 134th Founders Day, with a wish and hope that all remain safe and healthy and the pandemic ends soon and the jovial atmosphere is restored. I once again thank all present for gracing the occasion by their benign presence. Please do take good care of yourself, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I think GM sir would like to say something, ma'am.
Sir.
That's all. I think wonderful program, and somehow I have not been able to visit because the school has not opened for a sufficient length of time. So I will definitely plan a visit whenever things look up a bit, and I hope that happens at the soonest. Once again, congratulations for a great program and best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Your visit, your much-awaited visit is due, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am GM. Thank you, PCPO ma'am. Thank you, SDGM ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Thanks, officers from Northern Railway. Thank you, ex-Ogrovians, especially Major General Rawat, who is here with us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody, for gracing the occasion. Thank you very much. May I request IT Cell Baroda House?
Thank you, students. All the students, you were so great audience. Really means you cooperated a lot. Thank you so much. All the students and all the class teachers. Thank you, everyone.
IT Cell Baroda House, if you are able to hear me, please call the meeting off.